unbelievable strength on water. A lily pad that carried more than you'd ever guess. Ever imagined a lily pad supporting the weight of a small child? Or even a stack of gym weights? Prepare to have your assumptions shattered as we dive into the story of Huntsville Botanical Garden's star competitor. Huntsville Botanical Garden entered a nationwide Waterlily weigh-off contest, pitting giant Victoria waterlily leaves against each other to see which one could hold the most weight before giving way. Their champion, affectionately called Tori, didn't just impress local fans. It claimed a remarkable third place in the national showdown. During the official weigh-in event, Tori calmly held more than 175 pounds of sandbags and metal weights before finally dipping below the water's surface. A behind-the-scenes TikTok clip of the moment exploded online, racking up thousands of views, and every viewer seemed just as stunned as the garden staff. Horticultural manager Max McEwen still can't believe what he witnessed. My colleague and I kept piling weight on, and I remember thinking, okay, 100 pounds, then 120. But Tori wasn't budging. It was incredible to see how much force this leaf could withstand. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just sheer size that gives the Victoria lily pad its surprising strength, but a sophisticated network of ribs and air-filled pockets beneath the surface. These structural adaptations distribute pressure evenly, making it one of nature's most efficient buoyant platforms. Even Charles Darwin studied these plants in the 19th century, fascinated by their engineering marvels. But here's where it gets controversial. Some horticulturists argue that turning botanical wonders into weightlifting spectacles risks overshadowing vital research on conservation and habitat preservation. Is it a clever way to draw public attention to aquatic plants? Or a gimmick that distracts from urgent ecological issues? For the Huntsville team, Tori's performance is a badge of honor and a sign they're strong contenders for next year's crown. Yet the broader debate remains. Should botanical gardens lean into flashy contests to boost engagement, or focus exclusively on scientific study and education? What do you think? Has this viral lily pad demonstration enlightened you about plant mechanics? Or do you believe it trivializes serious botanical work? Share your thoughts. Agree, disagree, or raise a new point in the comments below.